Sitting at $26,000 profit just alone for this trade here, which would be $44,000 in the last 2 days. So I think I'm going to close the trade right here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Long time no see. Haven't posted on here in a while because I've been very focused on my gambling channel, but I decided to make a video today. I actually didn't film yesterday, but we had a balance of $200,000. I made a trade last night, and I just closed out of it this morning, giving us almost $19,000 into profit. I'm going to show you my little matrix over here. I'm just going to show you the results. If you don't know what a prop trading firm is, definitely go take a look into it. There's a lot of good ones out there. But anyway, you could see what my results are just for basically the day. You can see how much I'm permitted to loss. You can see my max loss that I can have for the day, which is $38,000. And you can see today's profit, which is $18,000, which is very, very good. Good day of trading. I do think and believe that there's one more trade that I'm going to make today. It's a pretty big trade, but I think if it pays off tomorrow or even the next day, it'll pay pretty big, maybe even close to $100,000. I don't know, but we will jump into the graphs right now. If you just take a look at the overall view of this graph, it is on this upwards trend. I do not think this is going to turn up into the upside. I think this is where we're going to see a big downwards trend. Although we're seeing an upwards trend right now, if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, these upwards trends, see how big it was? It's coming crashing down. Sitting at this point here, sell or buy. With everything that I've seen with this graph, I believe it's absolutely going to fall, and I'm going to hit the sell button right now. So what we don't want to see is obviously green. We're going to step away from this for probably a full day here and see where we're at. Obviously, if the price comes back up this way, upwards, it's not going to be good for us. But truly, I think this is going to fall. We're at negative $661 right now. That's truly nothing on how much this is going to either pay or lose us. Hopefully we get around $50,000 profit. So we'll catch back tomorrow. We already got $18,000 profit. Let's not lose that. Let's make even more. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the results. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here. It's the next day. I'm about to hit the gym, but before we hit the gym, we're probably going to close out of this position. Honestly, I don't even think it's time to close this position. I think this is going to still continue to fall. I wanted to get up to 50,000. I thought that this trade would get me up to 50,000. It actually does look like it's going to get there, but honestly, I've seen this way too many times before where you think it's going to do something and it does the opposite. Sitting at $26,000 profit just alone for this trade here, which would be $44,000 in the last 2 days. So I think I'm going to close a trade right here. Boom, done. If you take a look at the balance now, $244,000. So basically $245,000 that we made in the last 2 days. I did a pretty good job reading this graph this time. Sometimes it doesn't do what you expect it to do. This did exactly what I expected it to do. I still expect it to fall, but you never know. This could change. It's honestly, it's just like gambling. It's just like gambling. So I'm going to take some profit. I absolutely need it. If you've been watching my gambling channel, I've been on a terrible losing streak. But anyways, we could go check the matrix and see how we did in the last 2 days. So once again, if you take a look here, I was permitted to lose 35,000, basically 36 for the day. For my max loss, 64, almost 65,000, and today's profit was just about $26,000. That was a very good day of trading. Here I'm going to throw up a screenshot right now. You can see for the last 2 days, September 7th and the 8th, balance reads $244,000, almost $245,000. So once again, 2 days, $45,000 in profit. Very good trading days. I'm very happy with this. Honestly, it could have gone either way. You never know what the market's going to do. Something could be announced and the market flip-flops. But for this particular time, we read our graphs correctly. It did what we thought it would do, and it paid off. I would go into another trade here, but I think we're going to take the $45,000 profit. We're going to wait a little bit and see if I could find a new trade, but I'm probably going to have to wait a day or two to find my next one. But when we do, hopefully it gives us the same results or even more. I don't know when I'll be back, but hopefully I'll be back. I think I might be starting to do some other videos as well. I'm thinking about doing some other investing videos of other ways I make money online, and maybe even going into some rental investing as well. Let me know what you guys think if you want to see some of that. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for joining me here. I'll see you guys in the next video.